To replace the condenser, reinsert the piping that was removed for the inlet and outlet into the new condenser. Apply a wet rag to cover any of the brazed joints of the condenser coil and any flammable material surrounding the area. Using a neutral flame, braze in the new condenser. Allow the pipes to cool naturally and visually inspect the braze joints after you've completed brazing. When replacing the condenser coil, you must affix it to the lower tray using rivets. Line up the holes, insert the rivets, and install using a riveting tool. When reinstalling the lower tray, the condenser coil needs to point towards the front of the cabinet, and the tray can be inserted into the channel opening of the outer wrapper of the cabinet. The hot gas tube goes to the outside of the condenser. The first step to reinstall the base pan is to put 2 Phillips pan head screws into the front of the tray. After installing 2 Phillips pan head screws to the front of the unit, put the unit onto its side and install 6 pan head screws to finish fixing the base pan to the unit. After the Phillips pan head screws are installed, reinstall the leveling legs into the rivnuts on the bottom of the pan. After installing the Phillips pan head screws and the leveling legs, put 4 rivets to hold the air diverters in place. The final step is to install the fan shroud. Put a screw into the backside of the doghouse and the machine compartment. Then, put 2 rivets into the bottom of the fan shroud to keep it in place.